Hi guys, this is Easy Peasy Lemon Squeezy. This is your morning bin. So you are all in drawer one today. You are going to be making waves. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to grab a piece of paper, and on that piece of paper you can either have mom or dad, or you can try to do it because you all are rock stars. And you're going to draw some wavy lines. I'm going to draw mine and I'll show you what I mean. Here we go. So I drew some wavy lines. They look like an ocean wave. And I'm going to do that 2 or 3 times. There, I did it again. And I did it again. But you're not done. Now you're going to take your wavy lines and you are going to cut them with your scissors. This is warming your fingers up for writing and all the good stuff we're going to do later in the day. And you're going to cut on your curves. So remember, turn with your paper, cut on your curves, and when you're done, you will end up with some ocean waves. Now, if you want, you can turn these into a picture like I did up here. So you can see that I turned them into a picture. Totally up to you, or you can just cut out your waves, up to mom and dad too. So get going with your morning bins, and then we will get ready to start our day, and I'll tell you what's going on with our day in our next slide.